Hello and welcome to another episode of the best stocks you can buy, this time for September 2024. Today I will share with you one stock that I consider to be an exceptional investment opportunity right now. I will reveal which stock this is, present my analysis with a calculation of its fair value and buy it for my personal portfolio. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Before diving into the full analysis of the best stock for this month, I want to thank XTB for supporting this video. XTB is a broker platform with 0% commissions for buying stocks and ETFs with a minimum transaction value of only 10 euros. With XTB, you can invest knowing that your money is safe. XTB is my personal choice for creating investment portfolios for both stocks and ETFs. And in this video, I will also show you how I buy my stocks each month on their innovative platform. Last month, I published on my Discord the results of the stocks we have already acquired in this series, and they have been quite profitable as you can see. If you want to access my Discord and find out more, the link is in the description. But for today's episode, I will show you and buy a stock that I have never had in my portfolio before. Comcast Corporation with the ticker CMCSA, a giant in the media and communications landscape. As one of the leading broadband and cable providers in the US, Comcast offers high-speed internet, premium cable TV, and cutting-edge streaming services. Additionally, Comcast is a major player in the entertainment industry with its NBC Universal division and a portfolio of blockbuster movies like the Jurassic Park and the Fast and Furious. With its diverse business model, strong market presence, and focus on digital transformation and content innovation, Comcast is well placed to navigate the changing media landscape. So let's dive into what makes Comcast an exciting investment opportunity for September, starting with a simple technical analysis. Looking at the TradingView weekly chart, we can observe that over the last 50 years, Comcast's price has shown a consistent upward trend. And then, moving to the daily one, I will add a smoothed moving average with a length of 600 to the chart, which will help analyze the stock stability. At the moment, the price is below this line, which is a positive sign, suggesting an opportunity to buy this stock at a discount. Historically, Comcast stock has only dipped below this baseline during major crises like in 2001, 2009 and 2020, but each time it quickly bounced back to new highs. Right now, Comcast is about 35% below its all-time high and has already had a good recovery in value since its last big drop, indicating that this stock could be about to continue its uptrend. Having established that Comcast is a stable stock with growth potential through technical analysis, let's confirm this by calculating its fair value using some financial models. If you have been following this series, you know I use a variety of premium sources, most of which I have to pay for. However, in these videos I show you all the predictions for free. Firstly, using the discounted cash flow or DCF analysis from the Finbox website, Comcast shows a potential price appreciation of 40% with the growth exit formula, 47% with the EBITDA exit multiple, and 41% with the revenue exit formula. Each of these analyses uses different metrics to calculate the fair value, and it's very positive to see that all three are optimistic and present similar values. Then, according to professional investors' forecasts on the premium Simply Wall Street website, Comcast is 58% undervalued, with a fair value of around $95, providing a good margin of safety. Additionally, the PE ratio analysis shows that the stock is quite cheap, suggesting that its price may easily rise in the future. Moving forward with another valuation method from the MarketBeat website, Comcast's fair value shows a 15% upside, with a price target of $45, indicating a healthy company. Then I also like to check the alpha spread, which calculates fair value in 3 different scenarios: a base scenario with a fair value of $75, an optimistic scenario with a fair value of $125, and a pessimistic scenario with a minimal fair value of $51. This is a great appreciation even in a bad scenario. And finally, using value investing, the forecast suggests an appreciation of 19% over the next 12 months. So, when putting all the fair values from these 7 different financial analyses together, Comcast's fair value is around $61.58, and since its current price at the moment I am recording this video is around $39, it gives us an average of 58% potential appreciation. Apart from this, we need to also add the dividends that the Comcast company pays, with a value of 3.1% annually, which for me is another big advantage of owning this stock. Thus, this will be the stock I will buy for my personal portfolio this month. And so, let's go to my XStation 5 account. For those unfamiliar, XStation 5 is a platform you will get when you sign up with XTB, which allows you to buy stocks with no commissions. You can use the link in the description to create your account. In XStation 5, simply look up Comcast in the market watch and choose the stock option, not the CFD, as we want to own actual shares for the long term. Then I will drag it to my chart to check out the price movements. Just like on TradingView, you can use XStation 5 for technical analysis. Now I will right-click on the chart, select New Order and buy 4 shares. You can also buy fractional shares if you have a smaller budget. For example, with just 10 euros, I can buy about 0.25 shares of Comcast. Now I will click on the buy option, confirm the order, and it's done. And that's it. This concludes the video on the top stock for September. I hope you enjoyed it, that you learned something new, and if you have ideas for stocks for the next month, feel free to comment them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you and bye bye.